The nature of God is a circle of which the center is everywhere and the circumference is nowhere. The natural beauty of the landscape encounters the ultimate sensation of Zen at the most enchanting location in the world, the Cyclades Islands. The name Cyclades that was given to the islands comes from the Greek word kyklos, circle. Since they create an imaginary circle around the sacred island of Delos, the birthplace of Apollo. The circle is moreover a symbol of harmony and unity, which is the trademark of our philosophy, and hence the brand new logo of SALT. Welcome to SALT. A cordial and friendly welcome awaits you upon arrival at SALT to commence your vacations. The warm hospitality and simplicity are just some of the magic ingredients that enchant our guests to keep coming back. Handmade wooden beds with new, unique mattresses incorporating sleep IQ technology that recognize every movement by each individual body, combined with cotton silk sheets and 4 pillows with natural filling. Turn the simple act of sleeping into a mystical experience. All our suites are decked out in a minimalist decorative style with a boho feel. Our new suggestion, with the walk-in closet outside of your bathroom, offers more space for your clothes and personal belongings and greater comfort in the bedroom. In combination with natural elements such as the rock and the cave shower in the bathrooms, the timber floors, and create the ultimate refuge for the rejuvenation of the mind and soul. Should you choose to spend your vacation at our front suites, you will have a view of the sea from your bed, and you will be able to cool off in your private outdoor jacuzzi, looking out onto the sunset. Enjoy breakfast in the comfort of your own room, which arrives in a wooden basket, is served on stone plates, and continues with the same Zen nuance. Fill up on energy and start your day wonderfully. SALT is located in the Pellicota area of Polinia, which is an enchanting fishing village with a sandy beach, excellent restaurants, a mini market, a pharmacy, and a port that is connected by ferry boat with the island of Kyklos. The brand new handmade daybeds and a convent table welcome you in the salt outdoor spaces to enjoy a cool cocktail as the sun sets over the magical blue of the sea. Tune in to the sound of the waves and indulge in a powerful experience of deep relaxation and spiritual regeneration. For unforgettably unique days and nights of your journey. Salt, just you and the sea.